up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KLBK, and we back with another straight banger. You guys have seen last night we made over 30K in the market on trading gold. Now, how is it possible? It was possible because we were literally using supply, demand, order blocks, trading with the trend, support and resistance. But if you're new, that can go over your head. So I want to share something with you guys real quick. I really want to keep it to my family, but hey, you guys are my family. So I'm going to give you a little tip that you can use across the board trading anything. Me personally, I like to really use this on gold because gold allows you to gain more money in a shorter amount of time, compared to like trading your US 30 or your NAS 100. So you can still use this on your traditional Forex, on your traditional cryptos and things of that nature, but I like things that are going to move real fast. So what I want to do with you, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to share my screen, and we're just going to do a little class, a little talking. Now, let me go ahead and hide this real quick. So right now, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to gold. Gold is the one. And what I need to do over here, because I need to watch this over here. So what I want to do, so right now we're on the 1 hour time frame. And guys, I was looking at this. See, I called this for a buy last week. She took off. Let's go ahead and delete that. What I want you guys to focus at, can we all agree? And you guys that are on this call, I want you guys to talk with me, okay? Before I do that, let me add this as well. I just want to see something real quick. Just want to see something. It didn't appear. Why didn't it appear? Let's see here. Why are you not appearing? It's not appearing on my chart. All right, cool. So we'll just go without it. We don't need it anyway. Hey guys, real quick. What kind of trend is this? Unmute the mics. Unmute the mics. What kind?
Uptrend.
It's an
Yeah,
uptrend,
upward.
right?
Yeah.
And we know it's an uptrend because of this. Now, a lot of guys say, hey, we can do supply, demand, support, and resistance. The market goes up, it comes down, consolidation, it goes up. We still haven't broke that high yet, right? We still haven't broke that high yet. Floats in that area. Then we get our breakout candle right here because it broke that high and then she took off. Now this is the high. She broke down. This is the higher low. She came back up to this level right here, broke out, took off, took to the upside. So what I started realizing is, and we all know this, the market goes up, the market goes down, the market goes sideways. We don't want to trade in consolidation. But if you know order blocks, you guys can really start marking up order blocks where the big move is. So how do you know what an order block is? Order block is going to be anytime you see the huge run and you want to see what caused that run. So this was the previous sell candle. So this area engulfed that candle. Let me blow this up for you guys so you can see. This run right here. This right here. This was the previous sell candle and then it took off, right? So you'll come over here and then we can do this on anything. Let me see where this is. I don't be using this over here, guys. I just visually look at it and go from there. Where is my box? I want my box. Square. Where's my square? Where's my square?
It's on your favorites, it looks like.
Ah, boy, you're a genius. You're a genius. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're a genius. So here's another run. Normally you'll do body to body, but we were on this one right here. So we'll mark this one, right? So here's a box. And what I want to do, I'm just gonna draw. I just want the body. You can do the wick if you want. You can. It depends on how you trade, but I'm just gonna do the body real quick. Just draw that over, right? So that was the run, right? Right here. This is the first wave. So now once it breaks that level, you wait for a retest, right? The market went up, the market came down, it retested that area, Then she kind of went sideways, came down, gave you another opportunity for an entry, and then eventually she took off. So we didn't get the first run off of this one because that's not really where the momentum was, right? But then again, we have another one right here. And the reason we know we have another one because the market took off right here. So you come here, you look at the last selling candle. I'm going to box from here. Let's just go right there. We're going to drag that over. So that's our next level. So we were really waiting. And sometimes you'll miss a trade. It's okay. You want the better entry. So realistically, you'll be looking at this, waiting for the market to come down and touch this level, then enter, but it did not. So you got another small area, another small area. So what you do is when you're marking up your charts, you're going to be looking for runs like this in the past, and that's how you're going to be able to catch your entry. Here's another run right here. Well, this right here, and that's basically off of this candle before it broke. So let's go ahead and let's just mark this one up right here. So we'll mark this up. This whole candle right here, that's the whole zone. I'm going to take that all the way over, guys. All the way over. I don't even care. All the way over, right? So now there's levels inside of your box. You have your top level. You obviously have your middle level. Let's just go ahead and put that on real quick. You have your middle level, and then you have your bottom level. Anywhere in this box is an opportunity for you to take a buy, okay? Anywhere for you to take a buy. So price, we had the drop. Hold on one sec. Up, broke out. We have the box right here, and here's the run. So we have the sell. It came to that level, and then it ran. So then we mark that box off, and now what you do is you wait for a retest to this area. She broke out, waiting for the retest, waiting for the retest. Here's a retest. Boom. You can enter here. You can enter if it dropped here, or you can enter here. If that candle closes outside of this box, abort your trade. Get out of the trade. So here it came in touch, and then she ran up. Let's just look real quick. How many pips is that? That's a nice look back. That's a nice look back real quick. That's a nice look back. Came here and touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 hours. So now, more than likely, everybody would have took their money. And then I'll show you guys how to do your levels of where you want to take it to later. But then she came back inside of this box. She broke, but she didn't close below. Look at that entry. Boom. She's off to the races. So now, if we're just looking, we know this was a previous high. Your first TP is right here, and I'm going to teach you guys a little something to be safe. Your first TP realistically will be 2,300, all round numbers, 2,300, whatever. I can't get it identical right there or whatever. But it would be the 2,300 mark because gold likes to move at levels of whole numbers, right? Boom, TP hit, it broke. So now if TP hit, you can look to enter for another trade when price comes back to this level right here. Price came back, touched, took off. So now it's looking for a new high. We don't know where it's going. So you're just trailing that trade. So now let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So now if I'm looking, I see that was the high. We're above that high. The rally right here. Here's another rally right here. So now I don't know what it wants to do right now. I don't want to take this because it's at a high right here. This looks like it wants to run right here, but I want a better entry. I want an order block to tell me what it wants to do. Because what I do see, and I'm going to mark this up for you, right here. No, let's get rid of that now. Right here in this level, guys, right here, where that, and what I'm doing is I'm marking up that green candle, right? Right where that green candle is, this right here may want to sell off. It may want to sell off right here because we have the drop right here. Now, how strong this block is, this little liquidity block, this little order block is right now, we don't know. Right now, we're on the 1 hour time frame. Now, you can do the same thing on the 5 minute time frame. On a 5 minute, you can go scalp. And look, guys, look, respect. It broke out, wanted to go down to the downside. It didn't go lower. So if we come over here, this area right here, we see that it took off. So I come here and I'm going to just mark up this small little zone. It's not even strong of where I want to see price potentially come to. There she goes. She's running. She's running. Let's see what she does. Might take this trade. Might take this trade, guys. Let's make this smaller because it's super tight. Super tight. Because this is where she ran to that zone. So I can literally play price inside of that zone. Now she's already retested off of this area right here. Because of this order block, we see that whole move over here. And then we know we have a move right here. You guys see it rejecting right now live off of this area right here. So we're trying to see what it wants to do. So this is on the 5 minute time frame, right? So if it's rejected and it just created another small run right here, just created another small run on a smaller time frame. So now you're playing in a tighter window. Oops. So now you're playing in a tighter window. So now you're trying to see what the market wants to do right here. Look, rejecting. It's going to come hit that level. It's going to come hit that level. It's going to come hit that level. Let's see. Let's see. And look, we have another one right here. Oh my gosh. Here's another one right here. Man, this is so dope, y'all. This is so dope. So here's the drop. Here's the last buy candle. So I'm gonna just box this up. And now it's literally, I'm not gonna trade gold right now because it's playing in between too many areas right now. I needed to make a decision of what it wants to do. And we do know that the dollar is weak right now. And gold is increasing. Let me look at my other chart over here, see what's going on. Yeah, dollar is still going down. Dollar is still going down, so gold should still be increasing. But we need to get through all of this right here before I do anything. Now, what I would really like to see is price come down to this area again, spike down, and then take it back up. So, what's up, Casta?
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I not mute? I was yawning.
Oh, you saying my class born, huh? You saying
No,
my
not at all. Not at all.
No, you're good. You're good. So right now, guys, we're just literally waiting to see what's going on. We do have that drop, and now price is above that level. This is a whole new candle. So if that price would have closed above that level right there, we could have took it to the upside. Y'all, y'all understand what's going on? This is crazy. And you can do it on any pair. Let's go. Let's go to US 30 real quick. Let's look. Let's back up. Let's go to oh my. So let's go back because we want to see history, right? Let's see here where we want to go. Where we want to go. This right here. This was the last sell. She violated this area. So you have a little one right here, but she violated this area though. It wasn't even strong. Wasn't strong at all. But I want to show you this. Oh my gosh, come on. So right here. So right here, that red candle right there, she violated, she came back, and instead of touching and going up, she broke out, right? So if she breaks out to the downside, where is she going next? Where's the next order? I don't see anything over here telling me where she's going to drop to. So let's go back a little bit. Well, what do you know? Here's one right here. So this was for the buy area, but this is still a valid area because it tells you where price went. Boom, came right in there, got stuck. Here's my next area. Then we're going to go look. Here's my next area right here. This was the run for the buy. So the sell was literally right here. This is kind of trash, to be honest. So I'm going to mark up this whole area. I don't want that. I'm going to mark up this whole area right here. Just going to take it over. Draw that over there. Well, what do you know? Price came directly to that level and spiked. So if I go back even farther, let's see what we got. Here's another one right here. So this right here, so that was the small one for the drop. This was the beginning of the run right here for the sell, right? So let's go ahead and take that. Let's draw that over right here. Look at that. Look at that. She came in that box and then she went directly back. Guys, y'all see this? So you got to find the candle. So what I'm telling you guys is you have to find the candle where the run happens and then mark that up and just wait for it to come hit that area. Right now, this looks like it's making sideways. Those you've been trading, you know it has to go back for US 30 and make up all of this. It did not. So we broke out. It didn't come and retest yet. It did not. I wouldn't be surprised if US 30 sold off today. They can't to come back and hit this level and then take off because she never came and touched that level. Me personally, would not be entering US 34 buy yet because she did not come and hit this level. This level has not been retested yet. Not. So let's go back to gold. What we got over here? We still in that same area. And look. She did it. Look, she did it. She came back and she hit that area, y'all. She didn't break. She came back. I told y'all she was going to come back to that level. She came directly back to that level. So you can literally play gold, and this is on the hour time frame in this area right here until you get a buy candle that breaks outside. I would not be trading gold right now for buys, even though I know the dollar is weak, but it's not ready to break. You got a zone here. 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 Don't get caught. Now, if you're trying to sell, like right here, this is cool, but now you're stuck in between that area. It's a no-go. It's a no-go. And you guys know I like my D-Lo. What I got? What I got? Let's validate real quick. Boom. Oh my. Oh my. Gone. This right here. Matter of fact, let me turn on my aqua. Let me turn my aqua. Looking like it wants to buy to me. Looking like it wants to buy to me. That's what it looked like. Let me turn this on. Looks like it wants to buy. You just got to wait for volume. You have to wait for volume. And then how high it's going to go, we don't know. So if I'm trading this, let me add on my what was it called? There we go. Let me add this on. So now if I'm trading and I'm waiting for the breakout, I'm not going to trade here. You're going to be looking at your trade all day trying to figure out if it's going up, if it's going down. I'm waiting for the breakout. And realistically, this is not the right one. Why does it look like this? Hold on. Styles, Soul, line number 10. So that's not right. Something not right because that's not showing up either. Look how that respects our box of what we use right here as well on the one that we just added. But anyway, I would wait for the breakout to the upside, wait for it to go, wait for it to come back, retest, and then go. And then I would take it to my whole numbers for my TP. But yeah, anyway, it's your boy KLBK. Just wanted to show you guys how to use those order blocks real quick. Smart money, smart concepts, supply and demand, support and resistance, engulfing candles, all within a simple strategy. And doing this will allow you to literally trade on a naked chart without having to use any indicators at all. And Jasmine, let me tell you what I figured out. When you catch a D-Lo off an order block, it's game over. It is game over. But anyway, it's your boy KLBK. We out of here. You guys got any questions before I start recording? Y'all got questions? Y'all good to go? No questions? Plumber, I know you always got questions, dog. Don't play with me today.
No, just post that recording so I could look at it again later.
Nah, I'm not posting this recording.
Oh, you're not?
Nah, I ain't gonna post this. This going in the archives. Everybody
Okay.
can't have this info, man. Nah, I'll post it up. I'll post it up. I'll post
I
it up.
I do have a question.
What's up, bro?
How did you said is a D-Lo and then it took off.
Oh, yeah.
So are you talking about that candle there, that red, that cell candle?
Oh, no. This is not even looking at DeLorean. Oh, you talking about back
Oh,
here?
yeah. Is that
Uh,
what you were talking about? Or are you just talking, you weren't referring to this in general?
but
Oh, okay.
there's a
All
D-Lo.
right.
There's a D-Lo right there. Right there. That's that.
Right. Is that what you were talking? Okay.
Gone. And then you would stay in this trade all the way until this candle right here. This candle would have closed you out. And then boom, we got another D-Lo right here. Boom. In that trade again. And me personally, the way I trade, this candle would have took me out, honestly. And I'm okay with that, but that would have been safe because we then had the massive drop. Um, Sell indication, which is terrible right here. Another D-Lo. Boom, gone. And this candle right here would have took me out. I'm only trading gold, y'all. Like my wife don't put me on. She don't show me the blueprint, and then I took my stuff and added it to it. We only trading gold in this house. Period. At least for this season. At least for this season. All right, cool. You guys got any other questions? All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, join my Telegram. And if you want to get more access to signals like this, just click the link down below. It's $149 a month. I'm sorry, 149 initially and $99 a month. Let's get it. Boom, 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 boom.